Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the ultimate snack solution for classrooms, the Niro Assortment 40-pack cheese crackers variety pack. If you're looking for a convenient, delicious way to keep your kids fueled and focused, this assortment could be just what you need. Imagine a colorful box filled with delightful, individually wrapped cheese crackers that are perfect for lunchboxes, snack breaks, or even after-school munchies. The Niro Assortment features a fantastic mix of well-known favorites, including Cheez-It, Goldfish, Annie's Cheddar Bunnies, and Ritz Bits, all in one convenient package. With 40 packs included, there's more than enough to share, or keep all to yourself. Each pack contains a variety of flavors designed to cater to different taste preferences. You get 4 packs each of Cheez-It Cheddar, Cheez-It White Cheddar, Cheez-It Snap Double Cheese, Cheez-It Snap Cheddar Sour Cream and Onion, Goldfish Flavor Blasted, Goldfish Pretzel, Goldfish Cheddar, Goldfish Colors, Annie's Cheddar Bunnies, and Ritz Bits Cheese Cracker Sandwiches. This array ensures that every snack time can be a new adventure in flavor. Let's talk about the packaging. Each snack pack is individually wrapped, which makes them not just great for sharing but also perfect for portion control. Parents can feel good about giving these snacks to their kids without worrying about excess. Plus, they're great for on the go. Just toss a few packs into your bag and you're set for the day. Now, you might be wondering how this product can fit into your daily routine. These snack packs are perfect for classrooms, of course, but they also work wonderfully for birthday parties, playdates, and family outings. Whether you're at a picnic or simply need a quick snack between activities, these individually wrapped crackers offer the perfect solution. Imagine the excitement on your child's face when they see these fun and tasty snacks in their lunchbox. Not only do they provide a satisfying crunch, but they also keep kids engaged and focused during long school days. For parents concerned about dietary choices, the Niro Assortment offers vegetarian options, catering to a range of dietary preferences. While they are not gluten-free, they provide a satisfying snack for those who enjoy classic cheesy flavors. It's essential to keep in mind that all snacks should be enjoyed in moderation, but the portion sizes here help make that easier. In conclusion, the Niro Assortment 40-pack cheese crackers variety pack stands out as one of the best bulk snacks for classrooms. With an enticing selection of flavors, individually wrapped convenience, and versatility, it's a fantastic choice for keeping kids happy and energized. Whether you're a parent, teacher, or caregiver, stocking up on these crackers will ensure you're always ready for snack time. Don't miss out on this opportunity to provide your children with a delightful mix of flavors that they'll love. Thank you for joining us today on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insightful product reviews. Happy snacking!